stay at home during this pandemic.
Warm greetings. By now, we have understood during the lockdown period that smart self-study is important for holistic work output. So, to do smart study, we need to follow few tips. For self-study, we have to remember 3 points: concentration, dedication, motivation. Let me explain you concentration. Study with passion, not force. It becomes easier to concentrate when you start from known to unknown. You must have heard about the episode of Arjuna and the fish. The concentration of Arjuna only helped him to win the task. Dedication. Dedicatedly follow your idea, aim, dream. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success, and this is the way to achieve. Motivation. You have to grow from inside out. None can teach you. None can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Said by Swami Vivekananda. Coordination of mind, body and soul is utmost important. And the strength is within you. Motivate yourself. Other than concentration, dedication and motivation, there are few points which need to be followed. I have subdivided these points: trigger, process, reward. In trigger, we have to follow these points. Maintain your study environment. Everyone cannot afford a study room. In joint families, it is a challenge. You have to make your own study environment. It can be a corner of a room, a table, a chair with a writing hand rest, or elsewhere. Keep your study space very well organized. This factor is very important. Keep a small plant in the corner where you study to give life to your dreams. Second point, maintain continuity. You plan for self-study, but it's been a week since you actually opened your books. It happens, children. But now, during the lockdown period, you have to remember that you are not going to the school. Your teachers are not giving you regular tasks. So, you need to be regular with your studies and you have to maintain the continuity. Kill the procrastinator in you. If you really expect results from it, keep it regular. You can do it. Next point is making notes. It's very important to make interactive notes, children. Use different color pens and while making notes, keep a highlighter handy to highlight the important points. You can even mark the important points in your books also. It will later help you to memorize the matter. Fourth point is different techniques. To keep away the boredom, use different techniques. Pomodoro technique will help you to improve your concentration. In Pomodoro technique, there is a timer and timer blinks after 25 minutes. With the small intervals between these 25 minutes, you are able to study with full concentration and output is also better. The choice is all yours. You can use mind maps and flashcards that will enhance your attention power. As we have triggered ourselves, there is a certain process to follow it. Schedule your self-study time. Your study time is to be planned by you. And please, as your own comfort, you can study in the morning or at night. Plan a timetable for a week or for 15 days. Follow it and then make it for a month. Decide the number of topics that you need to cover for a specific period. The second subpoint for process is revision cycle. After your online classes, it's very important to revise your class, to keep your knowledge intact. It will pinpoint your weak points and will help you to take up your queries the very next day. So every time when you study something, make sure you revise it. Next, never confuse self-study with isolation. Remember this point very carefully, listen to it. There will be times when you will get stuck, which is natural. Focus on finding out the right way to resolve the issue. Confusion arises. Quest for the well-guided assistance. It can be anybody, teacher, friend or classmate. In this lockdown period, please don't think and get isolated that if you have any queries, whom to ask. Please discuss with them and clear your doubts. Taking assistance not only helps you to clarify your doubts, will give you new perspective to deal with the problems. So, only self-study, no isolation. Next point, which is very important and very valid. The lockdown period has already taught us that we should focus on learning, not on grades. This time, even exams were not conducted for few classes. So focus on learning, not on grades. And periodic performance check should also be conducted. Self-assessment while studying should also be done periodically. And very important point, children, we need to remember that don't attempt any sample paper unless you are confident that you have prepared the topic very well. 2 points to remember: focus on learning, not on grades. Periodic performance check is your self-teacher. After process, it's time for rewards, and your reward will be achieving the goal. So, make realistic goals and set a goal according to your capability. Don't set too high goals in the beginning. Go stepwise and follow your style and technique. Last but not the least, take rest. Take proper rest. Take breaks. 10 minutes break after every 2 hours of study will help you a lot. तो लॉकडाउन ने हमें क्या सिखाया? शिक्षा अनिवार्य है पर वार्षिक परिणाम नहीं। शिक्षा पद्धति बनती बदलती संवरती रहेगी। छात्र छात्राओं को पदक दिलाती रहेगी, पर सच यह है कि अपने लिए पढ़ना है। लॉकडाउन ने समझाया विद्या पद्धति सबके लिए बनती है, बदलती है, संवरती है, पर विद्या उसी की होती है जो उसका स्वयं अध्ययन करते हैं। पाठ्यक्रम, पाठ, विषय कम होते हैं और बढ़ते रहते हैं। ज्ञान उसी का होता है जो ज्ञानी बनने के लिए परिश्रम करता है। मंजिलें, ऊंचाइयां, रुकावटें समय और उम्र के मुताबिक विचारात्मक और कठिन होती रहेंगी। सफलता उसकी होगी जो खुद के हौसलों को बुलंद रखते हैं और अपने ज्ञान का सदुपयोग सही समय पर करते हैं। तो इससे भली भांति आप समझ गए होंगे कि मैं क्या कहना चाहती हूँ। मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि लॉकडाउन के पीरियड को ऐशो आराम का समय ना समझ के इसका सदुपयोग किया जाए। विद्या समय समय पर हमको बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण गुण प्रदान करती है। और आज के लॉकडाउन में हमें जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करनी पड़ रही हैं, उसके साथ साथ हमारी सेल्फ स्टडी, हमारा माइंड, बॉडी, सोल कोऑर्डिनेशन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो हमें धैर्य, संयम और कार्यशील बनने में मदद करेगा। आशा करती हूँ कि मेरे ये कुछ बातें आपको बहुत लाभप्रद होंगी और आने वाले समय में आप इसका भरपूर फायदा उठा पाएंगे।